I think getting a boat, making the upgrade plans, and having the goal of retiring early and sailing the world has been one of the best decisions I've ever made. As I've said, this channel is not really just a sailing channel, but a video diary of that journey. It's not just about that sailing aspect, but about the journey to get there. I've been working all my life, since I was 13. Even now, with a time frame and goal in mind, I find myself working full-time, owning a side business, doing a lot of investing, and even side gig work to make our dreams happen. In addition to everyday life like making dinner, caring for an elderly parent, and raising a family. They say work hard and play harder, and that's exactly what we're doing. Sometimes I'm burnt out, but I keep up the fight and try for that goal. There's a lot on the menu of things I'm adding to the boat, and I want to feature them all in upcoming videos. New sails, converting an icebox, replacing a stove, adding solar and water makers, as well as honing our sailing skills. And I'm going to have that in detail in upcoming episodes. But I also love relaxing, unwinding, sailing, laying by the pool, playing ukulele, and cooking. And of course, I'm going to share that as well. I really hope you all enjoy these videos and that they maybe inspire you on your own journeys. And it's nice to feel like I'm sharing these things with you. Please click that subscribe button down there and hit the thumbs up. It really helps me. Hey Bubby, how you doing?
Good.
What do you think? You having fun?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome stuff. What do you think, baby?
I think it's awesome.
Yeah?
Mhm.
So we had our first sail of the season today.
Yes, we did.
Got the sails up, sailed the Chester River, and now we're anchored off a beautiful little island,
Yes.
and we're having a lot of fun.
Yes, we are.
What do you think, Lincoln? Having cool times? And then we're having a little, it's getting to be sunset, so we're having a little charcuterie and wine. Did you have fun today?
Had an awesome time.
Yeah?
Amazing.
Not as crazy as you thought?
Nope.
Yeah, I thought it was good too. Did you have fun, buddy? Yeah, we got a little fort built for him in the cockpit here. And we are now on the Chester River off the Chesapeake Bay. All right, so we had the whole full day of sail. We got our charcuterie and our wine, and it's getting to be sunset. And we're now on the Chester River off Cackaway Island, off the Chesapeake Bay. So let's see here. It's a nice little anchorage. It's like really cool. And there's Cackaway Island over there, and the sun is gonna set right up the creek there. So this should be pretty cool. All right, first night out at anchor, and this is absolutely amazing. So we have a little Prosecco, and we're gonna have an awesome champagne toast to Poseidon and whatever the god of sunsets are. So, what do you think?
Amazing. Can't stop taking a picture.
All right.
Sunset.
So here it is. Wow. I mean, this is just... And it just keeps getting redder and redder and crazier by the minute. Anyway, so that's the ending of our day. So we're gonna have some champagne or Prosecco and hang out, right, baby?
Yes.
All right, peace out.